Hello guys, in this video I am gonna tell you how to improve your chess and destroy your opponent. Do you dream of winning every chess game but keep blundering at crucial moments? Don't worry, today I am giving you deadly chess tricks and tips that will take your game to the next level. If you master these techniques, your opponent on leeches and chess.com will resign and start thinking you are a grandmaster. So no delay and let's start. So most important part of the game is opening. If your opening moves are weak, you have already lost before reaching the middle game. Follow these golden rules. This is the center, most important place of the board. These squares e4, e5, d4, d5. You have to control this center if you want to master the opening phase of the game. So control the center and this gives your pieces maximum power. Moving your pawns to e4, e5, d4 and d5 will keep you at an advantage. So develop fast. Knights are slowest piece on your board. So develop first knight first, then bishop, and then do the castling. Don't move the same piece twice in the opening. Speed is key. Castle early or your opponent will destroy your king's safety. Best openings to crush opponent. For white, it's Italian game e4, e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to c4, simply and deadly. For black, it's Sicilian defense c5 or Caro-Can, solid and counter attacking. Second most important thing is tactics. The secret to winning game instantly. Chess is 80% tactics and 20% strategy. If you don't learn tactics, you will never improve. Solve 10 to 15 tactics puzzles daily. This will train your brain to spot winning moves fast. Master these killer tactical patterns. Fox attacks two pieces at once. Pins paralyze the enemy pieces. Skewer force your opponent into losing material. Discover attacks unleash hidden threats. Double attacks attack multiple pieces at the same time. Where to practice? Practice these techniques at leeches.org and chess.com. You will get puzzles of fox, puzzles, scavers, discover attack, double attack on the leeches.org. You can go to the study section of leeches.org or I will create another video on the tactics. Let's proceed further. Third point is middle game strategy. Stop playing random moves. Once your pieces are developed, it's time to dominate the board. Piece activity. If your pieces are sitting back down nothing, you are playing badly, keep them active. King safety. If your opponent king is exposed, attack immediately. Pawn structures. Weak pawns means weak position. Control your pawn structure wisely. When to trade pieces. If you are winning, trade pieces simply in the game. If you are losing, keep the pieces. Don't trade more chances for counter play. Fourth play is master the end game. 50% of your chess games are decided in the end game. If you ignore end games, you will keep losing one positions. Learn these end game positions. King king and pawn versus king. Know the rule of opposition. Rook end games. Learn Lucena and Philodor position. Bishop versus king end games. Understand which one is stronger in different situation. Queen end games. Learn checkmating patterns. How to avoid perpetual check. Pro tip. Endgame practice will make you win a game other would normally draw or lose. Fifth most important point is analyze your games. Stop making the same mistakes. After every loss, analyze your mistakes. Use leeches or chess.org game analysis tools to check blunders. Find what went wrong and never repeat it. Sixth point is play slow games and learn from the best. Stop spamming bullet and builds. Don't play bullet and builds. Play longer games, rapid and classical. To actually think, watch grandmasters like Magnus Carlsen, Hikaru Nakamura, and Gotham Chess to learn high level of strategies. Final word, time to level up. If you follow these tips, your chess game will skyrocket. Comment below how's your biggest chess what's your biggest chess struggle in chess. I will fix you I will help you fix it. Now go practice, destroy your opponent and become a chess beast.